Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel and thank you for showering so much love on my previous video which was on bookmarks. If you haven't watched my video then go and watch my video. Do like and subscribe my channel. This video let's do something different. Make something out of stapler pens. Yes, you heard it right, stapler pens. So let's begin. So, how was the video? Do comment below. I hope you all liked the video. Okay, 1 minute. I forgot to tell you the most important thing you can make out of stapler pins. That is, you can staple the pages. Oh my god, really? Okay, that was a PJ. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Happy crafting. Bye.